How to deactivate your Threads account. The very first thing you want to do is to open your application Threads. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner, and then click on this menu icon at the top right corner. It will open up the settings for you. In here, head over to account. At the very top, you'll get to see two different options. One is take a break and the other is deactivate profile. As we're looking on how to deactivate, simply tap on deactivate profile. In here it says deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile threads, replies, and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging in back in. So if you are ready to deactivate, all you want to do is click on deactivate threads profile at the bottom. After that, you have to enter the password of your account, and then your account will be deactivated successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can deactivate Threads account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.